Welcome to our channel, where rare historical photos come to life. Every image tells a story, and we're here to share the ones that matter most. A cat lady from the 1930s. A Dust Bowl farmer digs out a fence post to keep it from being buried under drifting sand in Cimarron County, Oklahoma, 1936. A family in Paris, 1938. A family listening to radio, 1940s. A fashionable woman at the races in 1909. A great street scene view of New York City during America's Gilded Age era, 1905. A housewife poses with a week's worth of groceries in 1947. She spent $12.50 a week to buy all her groceries except milk. On this, she managed to feed herself, her husband, her 4-year-old twins, and the family cat. A huge tea kettle over doorway of Oriental Tea Company in Scollay Square, 1934. A lost trade photographed by Jacques Boyer, France, 1908. A technician doing maintenance work on the electromechanical telephone switches in the Telephone Exchange building at East 30th Street, New York City, 1938. A village school, Olymbos, Karpathos, Greece, 1964. A vintage trailer with storage for a 1955 BMW Isetta. A wedding snapshot from the 1940s. A woman using a new portable micro television invented by the Japanese Sony company in the back of a car, 1963. A worker with an adding machine in Washington, D.C., 1923. A young flapper posing by a Ford, 1920s. Amelia Earhart giving a flying lesson, 1933. An audience buying movie tickets, 1940. Another day at work for these lumberjacks in Oregon, 1918. Arbroath, Scotland, 1890. At the beauty salon, 1920s. Beauty salon in the 1960s. Berenice Abbott photo, Greyhound Station, Manhattan, New York, 1936. Broadway at Times Square, 1908. Buying cheese, 1938. Chairs seller, Naples, Italy, 1943. Charlie Chaplin, 1918. Christmas parcels being sorted at the Royal Mail Sorting Office, Mount Pleasant, London, 1939. Construction workers taking lunch break, London, 1929. Cooking class, Bethesda, Chevy Chase High School, 1935. Dancing party, 1900. David Bowie, 1983. Eartha Kitt in Amsterdam, 1962. Einstein and his wife Elsa leave on a 6-month boat journey to the Far East on October 1922. When they checked into their hotel in Japan, thousands of people stood outside waiting for the Einsteins to wave from the balcony. Enjoying a meal at the Horn and Hard Art Automat, Times Square, New York City, 1920s. Facade of East 100th Street, New York, 1966. Farm woman washing clothes in her motor-driven washing machine, 1940. Farmers in front of the post office on Saturday afternoon, Linwood, July, 1940. Finish of the first Tour de France, 1903. Ford police car, 1959. Harry Houdini performing a trick, 1918. Ice skating race, 1925. Idaho winter as experienced in 1952. Italy, Rome, 1952. James Naismith was a Canadian physical education instructor who invented basketball in 1891. In this photo from 1928, he is playing with his wife, Maud. Jeep Cemetery, Okinawa, 1945. Liheitra tracked motorcycle, 1939. Load of Christmas trees, New York, 1900. London street fashion in the late 1950s. Macy's Thanksgiving Parade, New York City, 1934. Man operating water tricycle, 1910. Montmartre, Paris, in 1950s. Narrow streets, Naples, Italy, 1890s. Nearly 160 competitors of the Tour de France cycling up the Champs-Élysées in June 1926. New York Tour Bus 1904. Niagara Falls during the freeze of 1911. Pablo Picasso's first self-portrait at age 15, 1,896 on the left versus last at age 90 in 1972 on the right, with 50,000 artworks between. Paris Café Life, 1930s. Phoebe Carlo as Alice and Dorothy Dalcourt as the Dormouse in Alice in Wonderland, 1887. Police stop New York City traffic for a cat and her kitten, 1925. Portuguese women from the Azores Islands in their traditional hooded capes. Prospectors continued searching for gold for the rest of the Klondike Gold Rush, which ended in 1899, picture taken in 1897. Rita Hayworth leads a conga line of sailors, 1941. Salvador Dali, Paris, in 1967. Snow removal, Washington, D.C., 1925. Spinners, 1,890. The 15-mile penny farthing race of the Harvard Bicycle Club, 1887. The Addams Family, 1964. The Balanced Rock, Garden of the Gods, Colorado Springs, early 20th century. The Bee Gees, 1970. The Boardwalk Parade, New Jersey, April, 1905. The center anchor of the renowned ocean liner Titanic being transported from Netherton, West Midlands, to the railway station at Dudley, England, April 1911. The Diver at Winchester Cathedral, early 1900s. The Dynasphere was a monowheel vehicle that John Archibald Purvis from the UK patented in 1930. The interior of a general store, Moundville, Alabama, 1936. The Supremes in San Francisco, 1960s. Times Square in 1919 before all the renovations and billboards. Dr. Myrtle Myrmex Atawa Urema, an American entomologist, discovered how to copy ant pheromones used in food sharing. These special ants, a large breed of Solenopsis invicta from Hawaii, responded by gently nuzzling her mouth. Victorian London's working class, 1890s. Victorian woman with long hair. Vintage cameraman from Chicago in the 1920s. Wedding ensemble, 1870. Wedding photo, 1920s. Woman with her washing machine, Montreal, 1925. Yakutian Saka woman in the 1890s. Youngsters dancing by the jukebox, US, 1944. Yvonne Craig as Batgirl in the 1960s TV series Batman.